Ito na nga ang pinaka-affordable na single detached na pwede sa pag-ibig at bank financing. If interested ka, don't skip this video. This is Pau Pepito, your home search buddy. Introducing our newest project na located sa Golden Horizon Manors Phase 2, malapit sa Tagaytay, Dasmariñas at accessible din ito to Manila. Pre-selling stage kaya naman very affordable for as low as 26,000 monthly. Single detached property kaya naman may provision tayo for 2 carport dahil ang lot size nito ay 96 square meters. May floor area ito na 80 square meters kaya naman may enough space tayo para sa ating living, dining at kitchen area. At alam mo ba na meron tayong 3 toilet and bath dito dahil may sariling toilet and bath ang ating master's bedroom. At meron tayong common toilet and bath sa ground and second floor.